Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best music production software that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Native Instruments Komplete 13. Germany's Native Instruments was an early pioneer in integrating software instruments and sound effects into complete production suites. As its name implies, Komplete 13, $599, supplies a comprehensive collection of 68 digital instruments, sounds, and processors for producing and mixing music. 30 sample-based instruments outfit you with not only a full band's worth of guitar, bass, drum, piano, and classic keyboard sounds, but also orchestral horns, strings, and the traditional instruments from cultures all around the world. More than a dozen synthesizer plugins cover recreations of classic synths and many synthesis styles, such as virtual analog and FM, and the massive X wavetable synthesizers have been very influential in the worlds of dubstep and trap bangers. The REAKTOR modular environment lets you build instruments that haven't existed previously. Moving on at number 4, we have the iZotope Music Production Suite 4. Audio plugins like the graphical waveform-based Nectar for vocal processing, Neutron for mixing, Ozone for mastering, and RX for audio cleanup and repair were already industry favorites before iZotope imbued them with machine learning AI assistants. Now, the latest versions in Music Production Suite 4 come with Assistant functions that automatically perform certain audio processes based on your input and the analysis of a growing database of thousands, if not millions of other tracks. But don't worry, you can change any of the automated suggestions they make, whether you want to tune up or intentionally trash a frequency. Your creativity drives the process. At number 3, we have the Arturia V Collection 9. Imagine a studio filled with the most famous vintage analog and digital synthesizers, organs, and electric pianos that fueled your favorite music from the 70s to today. Every Stevie Wonder and Herbie Hancock funk classic, every Kraftwerk and Depeche Mode synth pop gem, and most of the glowstick-powered rave jams. When you wake up from that dream, feel good knowing that you can pack that fantasy studio into your laptop for $599 with the Arturia V Collection 9. A bundle of 32 instrument emulation plugins with a total of more than 14,000 preset sounds covering the best-loved timbres from beloved classic keyboards like Moog Minimoog Analog Synth, Yamaha DX7 FM Digital Synth, the Hammond B3 organ, Rhodes and Wurlitzer electric pianos, Mellotron, and much more. Arturia's Keylab keyboard controllers, like the Keylab MKII49, $499, are designed to seamlessly manipulate the vintage emulations in V Collection 8 with their knobs, buttons, faders, and pads. At number 2, we have the Reason Studio's Reason Plus. Since it added multi-track audio recording several versions back, Reason Studio's Reason 11 really qualifies as full-fledged DAW software. But it stands out with its one-of-a-kind interface that arranges its analog-style mixer and all of its many instruments and effects into a fully configurable rack, whose backside view allows you to connect and reconnect any of the individual devices together in infinitely creative configurations with virtual patch cords. Its unique, self-contained workflow and constantly expanding add-ons shop has made Reason a favorite among DIY music producers and songwriters since the dawn of the millennium. But these days Reason 11 is not only self-contained beatmaker software, but it also works as a plug-in workstation inside of any other major DAW software, allowing you to route whatever you've recorded through Reason's expansive signal chain. And finally at number 1, we have the EastWest ComposerCloud X. Like most areas in music and pro audio, scoring music for pictures, movies, TV, video games, is a hyper-competitive field where composers would do well to differentiate themselves. One possible way to do that is to use the absolute highest quality sound libraries for composing with the most realistic and meticulously recorded samples of orchestral instruments available. Anyone can hear a stark difference in realism between the brass and strings instruments included with Apple Logic Pro 10, for example, and those of a renowned company like Spitfire Audio, which constantly strives to make more comprehensive and realistic virtual instruments that run into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars per title.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.